up on the buckles. Turbulence may occur unexpectedly, so keep your seatbelt fastened during the flight, even when the sign is not on. Please review the safety briefing card in your seat pocket for specific information about this airplane. Cell phones, two-way pagers, and all other electronic devices should be off and stowed. A list of devices that are not approved for use during flight is available in the American Way magazine. Remember, cell phones and two-way pagers may never be used in flight. Tray tables and footrests should be secured and your carry-on luggage placed under the seat in front of you or in a storage compartment. Please bring your seats to the upright locked position for takeoff. It is a federal requirement to comply with crew member instructions and instructional signs. All American flights are non-smoking, including in the lavatories. It is against federal law to tamper with, disable, or destroy any smoke detectors in the airplane lavatories. If a sudden change in cabin pressure occurs, an oxygen mask above your seat will automatically release. Take the mask and pull it firmly toward you to start the flow of oxygen. Put the mask on and pull the elastic band over your head. Tighten the band by pulling on the tabs on both sides of the mask. Breathe normally. The plastic bag may not inflate. After your mask is on, help others sitting.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has advised me due to weather in the area, it's going to be a bit bumpy during our climb out. He has asked the flight attendants to stay seated until we've reached our cruise altitude. That could take at least 15 minutes after takeoff. This would also apply to you. Please remain seated with your belt fastened about you. He will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign once it is safe to remove about the cabin. Once you do, please take care when opening overhead compartments, as heavy articles may have shifted during takeoff. Mahalo.
Okay, so